Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. After a long time, we are meeting again, children. After 2 to 3 weeks, I didn't post a maths video, children. So, children, exercise 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3 is all about divisibility rules, children. You can copy. I have given the PDF notes, children, already, so you can practice them. You can understand easy, children. But coming to exercise 3.4, you should know each and everything, children, because it is the basis for next class, children. You should know each and everything clearly, children. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 just divisibility rules and then concepts, children. But coming to 3.4, factor tree method and division method, prime factorization method, you are going to know this, children. So if you want to learn this, see the video, children, for more than 2 times, about 2 times. So children, prepare a factor tree for 90, children. Prepare a factor tree for 90. What they given? 90. Most of what is factors, children? If you want to write the factors of any number, we should know first of all prime numbers. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself, children. A number which is going to divisible by 1 and itself. For suppose if you take 2 into 1, 2. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself, no? So itself. 2 divides by 2 one time, and 1 into 2 times. 1 into 2, 2, children. There are no other factors for 2, children. But coming to 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 1 10s are 10, 10 1s are 10. Means it has 4 factors, children. So if any of the number which has more than 2, then it is a composite number. So 10 is a composite number. I am writing short as Cn, children. Cn is nothing but composite number. COMPOSITE. COMPOSITE, composite numbers. Then what is prime number? That number should divide by 1 and itself. Understand, children? Take 7, one more example. 7 into 1, 7. 1 into 7, 7. There are no other factors for 7. So that number is divisible by 1 and itself, children. Understand, children? But a number which has more than 2, here there are 2. So I can say prime number. If there are 3 factors, that is not a prime number, children. That is a composite number. A number which has more than 2 factors, that can be considered as a composite number, children. So right now you got the idea what is prime number and composite number. So here it is 9, children. So children, I am writing prime numbers 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. First 5 11, children, for doing all these problems, means 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. So children, 90. But they said factor tree. So in a tree, you know, tree has branches and branch has sub branches like that. 90 gets divided by 2 into 45. 245 is how much, children? 90. So here next 3 into 50. See, children, 3 15s are 45. Then next 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Next you cannot write in, children. No problem. You got the answer. 2 3 3 5. Children, look at this, children. 90. 90 is getting divisible by 2 because it has 0 in its ones place. I said that a number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in its ones place, then it is divisible by 2, children. So 2 45s are 90. Then leave this one, come to this 45. 45 you take as a base and 2 in such, children. 2 never gets divided by 45 never divided by 2, children, because it has 5 odd number in its ones place. So I am going to next number 3, children. So 3 15s are 45. Then next 3 5s are 15. You can take 5 ones are 5, no problem. But here it is 5. But coming to children, here 2 into 3. into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So you will get answer as 90 children. See, 2 3s are how much? 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 90. So you got the answer 90. Children, like this you need to take the number and express it in the factor tree method, children. Factor tree method. I think you understand. Once we get next problem, children. Next problem, that is second problem. We completed first one, so I am keeping it tick. So I completed that one. Next second problem, children. That is factorize 84 by division method. Here they are not asking about tree method, factor tree method. They are asking about division method. So I am taking 84. So children, I already said that whenever 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place, then it is divisible by 2. So 2 I am taking 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, children. Again it is going to divisible by 2. So I am taking again 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Next here it is 1, means it is not an even number, it is an odd number. So I want to take next number 3. Next prime number is 3. 3 7s are 21, children. Next 7 never gets divided by 2. 3 5, but 7 1s are 7. So I am taking 7. 7 1s are 7. We got the answer, children. So how? We will get the 84 value by multiplying all these factors. These are the factors, children. What we get previous problem 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Like that 2 3 7 are also factors. So multiply them. 2 into 3 into 7, children. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 7s are, you know that, 84. So 84 and 84 tally. This is a division method, children. Previously we have done factor tree method. So I also done second problem. Next third problem. Children. That is write the greatest 4-digit number. If I ask you, you know that spontaneously you say that, sir, what is the greatest 4-digit number? Means 9999, sir. What is that? 9999. But we have to find it and express its prime factors here. We already know that. So write fourth problem, children. That is greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number, children. That is 9999. What I ask? And express it in prime factors. So prime factors concept. So is 9 divisible by 2? No. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 3s are 9. So take 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Is 3 divisible by 2? No. Take 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 1 1. So we got the answer. We are expressing the 4-digit number in its prime factors. That's all. So express. These are the prime factors. 3 into 3. That's all. 3 into 3. 9. 3 into 3. 9. 3 into 3. 9. 3 into 3. 9. That's all. So children, this is our third problem, children. Next fourth problem. That is again they ask write the prime factorization of 96 by factor tree method. Again same concept, factor tree method. You know that. 96. Okay, children, is 96 going to divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11? Which number? 2, children, because in its ones place it is even number, that is nothing but 6. So 2 into 48 times. If you don't know, you can also do it like this. 2 4s are how much, children? 8. But here it is 9. You transfer 1 to 6, children, then it becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. Understand, children? You can also do it like that. Again, it is divisible by 2. How? Because in its ones place, it's the value is 8, children. So it is again divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, children. Again, it is going to be divisible by 2 because on 4 in its ones place. 2 12s are 2 into 3 6. 2 6 are 2 3s are, that's all, children. So if you want the answer 96 means multiply all these factors here. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are how much children? 96. So this is the concepts of factor tree method, division method, prime factorization method, and finding the prime factorization of factor tree method, children. We discuss next 4 months. These are enough, children, because these are all the basics, and by using these only we are going to do the problems regarding exercise 3.5, 3.6 and 3.7, children. And main concepts are LCM and HCF, children. LCM and HCF. These are the main concepts because the title itself is the LCM and HCF. You know what is the full form of LCM? Least common multiple. HCF, highest common factor. So we will discuss this in the next class. Thank you, children.